So guys, I wanted to make a small status for you guys, and it's insane profits that I have made in a day, which is an NFP day. You can see today was an NFP day on 6 p.m. and today was a very positive news for the USD market. So everything fell down and still our robot was able to handle everything very good. And this is on 5th of May when I'm making this, and this is the account I wanted to show you. This is just a day's earning, and just guess how much deposit I had on this account, which is insane compared to the deposit I have, how much I have made. So this is just today I have made $767, which is in dollars. It is a real account. Okay, you can see RKD. This is my most riskiest account in life. So $767, and right now you can see the floating is less than $400. I guess it was less than $300, but right now the market is very consistent like this, and you can see it's taking so many trades and it's on buy and sell everything. So if it understands the market is going in buy direction, it will take trades in buy direction. You can see how it works. So you can see the market is moving very fast, but let's show you. This is just today's profit, and this account has been running just from yesterday till now, and you can see I started from 4th of April, and the first trade started from 7:35, which is in GMT time. Okay, you can check it in GMT how much is that. So in GMT it will be like let's see, this will be like, I have the time zone for that. Okay, from 7, which is in GMT, that's like 12:30. Okay, 12:30. This account started from 12:30 yesterday. Okay, and it has been running till now, and till now it has made $1,100, which is insane. And actual deposit I had also taken out $1,500, so this is only running from $1,500, and I have literally made 100%, almost 100% of it in less than a day. Okay, like in less than 2 days, like a whole day is gone by now almost. It's 7:37 p.m. when I'm making the video. So it's insane. This robot is capable of trading such a volatile market so good, you will be shocked by it. And it was so volatile, you can see there was a very high drop in here, and in gold it's insane, like it's so insane drops. Like it went from 2030 or something till 2000. It's still going down. It's insane. The markets is going like crazy. It's crazy markets. So there is a kind of recovery on the currency, but it will manage. So if I show you, it's from the robot, but I cannot show you the actual screens because then this video can be taken down, because I'm using the thing is I use the robots that somebody already made, and I make it very better. Like it's much better after I do it. I have not taken out any withdrawals of my profit, so you can see the actual balance. I had $1,500, now it has $2,674. So I didn't take out any withdrawals. I will take out, but still if I take out withdrawal, even if I close all the trades, I'm still at a very good profit of $700, which is insane profits. And the highest floating I've seen on this account is $500 only, and I have 12-13 pairs running on this robot. Okay, I cannot show you, but I have 15-16 pairs running. So it's insane profits. If you want to join my team, you should join. This robot is one of the best. Like you cannot get it anywhere else. So that's it for the video. I just wanted to show you a short profits in a day that I'm making with this robot. So thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be